There's three nice questions. Suppose that 2,900 is invested, so it's a money thing. It's compounded semi-annually, so I have two formulas to choose from. One is this one, and the other one is this one. If it's money and it's compounded semi-annually, it's not that one, it has to be this one. So my formula is this, 1 plus the interest rate over the number of compounding periods raised to the compounding periods times time. So they want to know, just find the function for the amount of money after 2 years. Also, I don't have to figure out how much money, I just have to figure out the function. So to do that, you just plug in your principal, how much money you started with, and then 1 plus the interest rate is 7%, so 0.07, divided by, if it's compounded semi-annually, that's twice a year, so my n is 2, raised to the 2 times t. So when you do a growth function kind of thing, you would just put a t in there. So I could simplify that a little bit. If you gave me this on a test, I'd mark it right though. 0.07 divided by 2 is 0.035 to the 2t, and then I could add those. So 2,900 times 1.035 to the 2t. So you could finish it like that. The next question, I think they'll have us go further. Again, it's compounded by a set time, and so I have to use this formula. 1 plus I over n to the nt. And this time they want to know the amount at the end. So the principal, I'm putting in $1,000. 1 plus interest rate, 4%, 0.04. Compounded annually, so n is just 1. And 1 times, and they're putting it in for 12 years, so 12 there. So now I just have to put that in decimals. Let me do that quick. Decimals. Okay, it was 1,000, bracket, 1 plus 0.04 divided by 1, go over bracket to the, and then in brackets up there, it's just 1 times 12 years. There we go. 1601.03. 1601.03. 1601.03. That's how much money you'd have in there. Last question. They give you a growth function for this animal species. So T is how long they've put it in there. And in this one, they're using months for that. And they just want to know what the population of the species is after 12 months. So f of t is what that population will be. So the number of species after 12 months will be equal to 400 times the log of 2, and t is 12, so 2 times 12 plus 3. And then I just have to do that on my calculator. Let's do that quick. Decimals. So it was 400, and then log, just the regular log, base 10, 2 times 12 plus 3, and my bracket, 572.5. 572.5. Whoops. Can't move my thing there. What's going on? There we go. 572.5. Okay, so about 572 after 12 months. That's how many species will be there, or how many of that animal species there will be. Hopefully that helps you with those three.